So now we're finally up to page 8, and we want to write our in our first body paragraph. Okay, and we're going to use TEDS. All right, and we'll go over that transition with topic sentence, give some evidence from the text, describe and explain how it proves your answer, describe why this is important to the text, and then summarize the point and conclude the paragraph. But first, let's take a look real quick at the big picture here. Okay, this is the big picture. We have our introductory paragraph. We introduced the author. We took the prompt, put it in our own words. We summarized our answer in a thesis. Now, the 3 things that we listed in a series, right? Plot development or exposition, either one you use is fine. Dialogue and foreshadowing, they're each going to become their own paragraph. And we're going to start with the first body paragraph, okay? 3 TEDs, isn't that cute? All right, so the first body paragraph, up here I have the formula, right? And then I also have the starters built in, okay? So let's go over them. T, transition with the topic sentence, all right? The transition word, first, next, last, okay? This is the first one, so we'll say the first way that the author creates irony. And I'm just kind of saying our thesis again, all right? But I'm just going to concentrate on one thing, is through plot development, especially the exposition. Next, we have the E. Get some evidence, back it up, find proof. For example, all right, or for instance, in the blank paragraph, and then you're going to kind of give me some evidence. All right, now I want you to try to get this on your own. All right, we put it together over here. All right, remember in the exposition? I want you to kind of either use some direct evidence, which is where you would say the author states, comma, quote, and then you give me like an actual piece of evidence right here that's direct, or you can kind of do indirect evidence there too. Either way, I want you to try, okay? And then I want you to describe and explain how the evidence proves your answer. This shows how ironic it is because she sets the day up to be such a beautiful day. We would never think it would end, right, in such a horrible way. And then you're going to describe why this is important to the text. This is important because, and then you kind of fill in that blank. All right, this is the hard work that you have to do. Okay, and then S, summarize your point and conclude the paragraph. All in all, and that's a concluding transition there. This is how the author uses plot development or the exposition to create irony in the story. Okay, take a second and fill this in now. The next video will be second body paragraph.